Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for all you email marketers out there. It's about transforming your email marketing game without breaking the bank. Yep, you heard that right. So, let's dive right into SendShark, a phenomenal tool that's revolutionizing email marketing. Imagine being able to manage a whopping 50,000 subscribers for just $25 a month. Now that's what I call a game changer. First things first, what makes SendShark stand out? Its outstanding deliverability rates. We're talking a 99% chance of hitting that precious inbox every single time. And the speed? Hold on to your hats because SendShark can blast out 600,000 emails per hour. That's lightning fast, folks. Now I know what you're thinking. With such low costs, how are the open rates? Well, users, including email marketing gurus, are raving about it. Some are seeing open rates of 50% on initial welcome emails and even 35% weeks later. This isn't just good, it's phenomenal. But there's more. SendShark isn't just about sending emails. It comes with a drag-and-drop lead page builder. This means you can create stunning, high-converting lead pages without any coding skills. It's just point, click, and create. Easy, right? And for those worried about complexity, fear not. Users from all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned pros, find SendShark incredibly user-friendly. Adding images, crafting beautiful emails, managing massive campaigns, it's all a breeze with SendShark. Now, here's the kicker, it's not just about managing emails and creating pages. SendShark offers a reseller program where you can actually earn up to 50% residual income by referring others. So not only does it help grow your business, but it also provides an opportunity to earn from the platform itself. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just starting out, SendShark appears to be a compelling choice. It's affordable, powerful, and user-friendly. If you want to boost your engagement and sales through effective email marketing, SendShark might just be the tool you need. Alright, that's it for today. If you're interested in giving SendShark a try, check out their special offer for Jeff Amon's customers. And as always, keep pushing your limits, keep innovating, and let's make marketing magic happen. Catch you in the next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Take care.